Hello everyone, welcome in another tutorial of Excel, and in this video we are going to discuss about the conditional formatting. Okay, here you can see my cursor and here we will discuss about the conditional formatting, right? In our previous videos we have discussed about the many functions of the Excel like AutoSum. We have discussed about the AutoSum, how to use the sum function, how to use the average, count, max, minimum function, and in this video we are going to discuss about the conditional formatting. So first understand that what is the meaning of conditional formatting. Got it? Here I have one student marks data spreadsheet. Okay, this is I have a data. Now for your corporation, for your industry, for your company, it could be large. Okay, like it could be large enough and it could be in a multiple of seats. Okay, so suppose you have a large number of data or you are handling a large number of data, and in that data you want some values or some data which is you want to measure, or which like where your main attention is. Okay, so what we will do in Excel, we will apply the conditional formatting. Okay, then we will apply the conditional formatting so that we could get that data. Okay, suppose here in this Excel sheet, okay, in this spreadsheet the data is very less, but suppose if you have a large data, so you can apply the conditional formatting and you could get that data in a very easy manner. How we will do that? So just see here what I will do. I want to apply my conditional formatting from subject 1 to subject 4. So I'll simply select it from here to here. Now here I'll click on the conditional formatting. Now here you can see that here are some subgroups, that is highlight cell rules. In highlight cell rules there are also number of like we can say the sub conditions, that is greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a date occurring, duplicate values. Okay, then top bottom rules, there are also sub conditional formatting, that is top 10 items, top 10%, bottom 10 items, then bottom 10%, above average, below average, then data bars, then color scales and icon sets. So first see in the highlight cell rules. Suppose in highlight cell rules I want number that is greater than. Okay, so I'll click on greater than. Now I want the data that is suppose greater than 62. Okay, so I'll click here 62. Now there is the color, and suppose I want the color that is green fill with dark green text. So I'll click on it and I'll click on OK. Now see here, so those numbers which are greater than, which are not equal to, which are greater than 6, that will be highlighted here. You can see here that will be highlighted here. So that is the significance and advantage of using conditional formatting. Okay, by same you can use more, like you can apply more conditions. Select, then click on the conditional formatting. Okay, I was here on highlight cell rules. Now you can also select less than. Okay, less than, suppose I want those data as well which is less than 35. Okay, and the color should be red. So I'll click on here. Now you can see here those numbers which are less than 35, that is also here. Okay, so that is the significance of using the conditional formatting. Now we see the some more conditional formatting. Just go here. Now I want the top 10 items, so I'll click on top 10 items and I'll click on it. Now I did not select the color, so I cannot tell like top 10 items. Now I'll click on the color that should be yellow. Okay, now here you can see that I have selected the top 10 data, top 10 items. So we have here the top 10 data. Now suppose you have a large number of data, you want to apply that condition and you want top 10 data, top 10 items, right? And like top 10 items, bottom 10 items. So it would be very easy for you to track that values, to track that content. Okay, so mainly why we use the conditional formatting, to make our work easy. Now okay, so I hope you understood that how we can use that conditional formatting. Same you can use with the others one, like data bars. Like suppose if I'll click on here, so it will show like that in the form of data. Okay, and suppose I want in the form of color, so it will be so like that, like each number will be so with the different color. Here you can see that. Okay, getting my point what I want to say. And in the data bars it will be so like that, like 89 which has a higher number, like 98 it will be completely filled like that. Okay, in icon text it will be so with the help of icon. These are the conditional formatting. Now to be a pro in this conditional formatting, you will have to do the practice. Do practice as much as you can to be a pro in the conditional formatting and in the Excel. Now here you can see you can also make your new rules. Okay, and to clean everything, like suppose you have applied the conditional formatting, now you want to clean it, so simply you can click on the clear rules from selected cells. Okay, if you want to remove that from the selected cell, so you can click on here, otherwise you can click on the click rule from entire sheet if you have applied on the entire sheet. Got it? So we have selected the cells, so we will click on here. Now your conditional formatting has been removed. Okay, with the help of this we get the data in very less manner, or it is a time saving method. Okay, whenever we deal with the large data. So that's all for the today's video. I hope you like that video. Now if you have any question with respect to conditional formatting, you can ask me, and if you want any video with respect to Excel, so you can also let me in the comments box. I'll make that video for you. Thank you for watching. See you soon.